Ngizofaka i-screenshot bantwana benkosi. Ngicela ukwenza nje i-trigger warning mawuzazi ukuthi uyashesha ukuzwela unenhliziyo ebuthakathaka. Ngicela nje uvele uswipe uscroll ngoba manje kuzoshuba uzokhala nami ngikhalile kodwa manje sengithulile ngithi angizotshela. Many of you bayasazi le story kodwa ke laba abangasazi ngithi mina unyaka u1994. La sikhuluma ngo Alison Botha. Alison Botha, she was a young woman from South Africa. Ngalesa sikhathi wayena 27 years. Okay. Unyaka ke u1994 uDisemba ngomhla ka18 isikhathi sefestive sasiphuza ke ngalezo zikhathi vele. Sharp. Alison, she's coming from a night out ubekade ehambile nabangani bakhe manje usebuyele endlini, she's driving. Afika ke la ahlala khona kwi parking lot. Abe evula isivalo. Athe sevula isivalo abe ethatha angazi wayithatha noma ihandbag yini kule passenger seat. Aline over to take lento ayithu uyayitake ngapha. Athi methu uyabuya bambeka ubhozo la. Hayibo! Akhuzu Alison yini manje kwenzekeni? Abelungu laba engizokhuluma nabo la. Alison na umlungu nalabantu abamgebengile abelungu. Abuzo Alison kwenzekeni manje? Athi umlisa, hey, ungakulinga uthi pe, ungakulinga uthi pe otherwise ngikulimaza. Thula. In fact, scooter off suka la kwi driver seat uye ngale kwi passenger seat. Otherwise ngakuhlaba ke man. Hlaba nje. Hlaba la mina. Alison uthi ngangafuni ukulwa yabo. Ngoba ngangade sengicabangela impilo yami ukuthi mengimlwisa mhlawumbe ungavela angigwaze ngempela. Asuke Alison ngapha yohlala ngale. Athi umfana khuleka, angizukulimaza mina, I just want to use your car for an hour. Khuleka. Angeke ngize ngikulimaza mina, ngifuna ukusebenzisa imoto yakho nje. Alison uthi ngathule ngathi ngishonile. Yahamba imoto. Wathe suku umfana wathi ngifuna pick up umngani wami. uClinton, yeah, something like that. Umngani wami thizeni. Alison uthi ngithule du. Ahamba umfana driver bampick up umngani. Uthi Alison ngarealize ke lapho ukuthi khona into ezokwenzeka ke manje la futhi imbi. Bahamba naye baye ehlathini thizeni. Mabefika lento yenzeka eQueen Elizabeth in the Eastern Cape. Bathi mabefika lapha ehlathini first of oil. Please don't correct me ngisho ngamabomu. First of oil into abathi mabefika bamhlisa emotweni bamdlwengula. Yes. Bamdlwengula multiple times. Mangaba esho Alison uthi wayinento engqondweni yakhe ethi as much as ibhlungu lento ezokwenzeka but I'm going to survive. If bazongidlwengula kuphela I'm going to survive at least. Kanti akabuzanga elangeni. Wathatha ibhozo lo bephethe ibhozo wamgwaza 35 to 36 times. Emgwaza la kwi-abdomen la. Amathumbu aputshuluka aphumela ngaphandle. Hayibo sakhala somakhelwane sababaza. Wamgwaza. Uthi uAlison bathi besuka sebethi balungisela ukuhamba abuze lo yedwa. Bathi besukumile uAlison waquleka uAlison batshela ukuthi ushonile. Kanti uzophinde regain consciousness yakhe. Bambone eTwitter like eTwitter. Athi lo munye akafanga masimqedelele athathe ibhozo. Amslice. Kaus. Khwip kumanje la unescar la emqaleni. Bamhlinza ngawo6.
Alrighty then, let's go through the comments. uNozipho Magwaza uthi usaphila kodwa usimakade. uLusigo uthi uNkulunkulu mkhulu. uNtsitsa Precious Mo uthi mntase wawuphuzani wena 1994 December with laughing emojis. uLukhele uthi we nkosi yami ngasaba ngingakaboni ukuthi uzosibonisane with shocked emoji. uMafruthi uthi siwabheka phi ke thina amagama abo with laughing emoji. uuser 6023 etc uthi when you are funny with laughing emojis. uZA Master ZN uthi ayikodwa wenza imanga ku TikTok kulezi insuku suveza izinto engazithikanga mhlanga uqala. Then uSafia uthi it's the way you are narrating the story. Mina ngiyahleka with laughing emojis. uThando uthi sababaza ke thina with laughing emojis. uMlindozi uthi kodwa makhi with laughing emojis sakhala sababaza singomakhelwane. uBongiwe Nxumalo uthi jo sabela egoli. uSamu uthi ungichaza mawusuzifaka nawe njengomakhelwane with laughing emojis. ubonga Mthembu uthi sababaza. Umbalzi uthi hawu kanti nawe wawukhona njengoba wawubabaza with laughing emojis. But the story was sad and it's proof that if it's not yet your time angeke ufe. Thembelani uthi sakhala singomakhelwane with laughing emojis. Usizo Purity uthi ngiyasukhumbula kahle istory sa Alison. I was very young then. Sasixoxa usisi wami wathi wayephethe amathumbu wakhe asegcwele enhlabathini cabanga and she survived. Uthi yo bese ngizikhohliwe le story. Uchunu elihle uthi I really had to follow you with laughing emoji. I love how you narrate these stories. Ukwanele Mhlongo uthi hayibo wasinda. uTeddy Bear uthi sababaza singomakhelwane wase usizibala nawe sihlobo with laughing emojis. Umbatha uthi ngiyazikhumbula le story savele TV kuFelicia Mabuza Settle Show. uMaK uthi sakhala singomakhelwane kodwa mamkhize with laughing emojis. uGugulethu uthi the medical team bakwethu. Usibande uthi rule number 1, I never go to the second location, rather get killed at the first location. Umendi uthi the commentary is killing me, laughing emojis. Usafia Wile futhi uthi it's the way you narrating the story, mina ngiyahleka with crying and laughing emojis. Uthando uthi sababaza ke nathi with laughing emojis. Umatt uthi yabona uThixo uma engakavumi ngawo uyakusindisa. Hlubikazi uthi oh I will never forget this story. Umlisa kept her conscious amane encoma amehlo akhe athi akawavula afuna uwabona. Uneli uthi sakhala singomakhelwane sababaza laughing emojis. Usino uthi first of oil angisho ngamabo laughing emojis. Sendendiyo uthi sasiphuza ngaleso sikhathi vele with laughing emojis. uChristyle uthi this is one of the biggest miracle. So we're going to kindly like the video and do comment to usho ukuthi wena uyasazi na the story. Is it your first time hearing about it or you already knew about it? Share your thoughts in the comment section and do subscribe if you haven't already. Otherwise, this is Hillkit, the go-to source for your dope TikTok, real life stories with a pinch of Ugosi. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace, love, and light.